The first step to completing a Rubik's Cube is to solve the white cross. And there is the white cross, and the next step is to solve all the white corners. And the entire white face is complete now, and I have to solve the middle layer now. And now the entire middle layer is complete, and usually I would have to solve for the yellow cross, but it's already complete, so now I have to face all the yellow pieces up, but they don't necessarily have to be in their correct position. And now all the yellow pieces are facing up, and now I have to put all the yellow corners into their correct spot. Now all the yellow corners are in their correct spot, and I have to switch the edges clockwise. And here is the completed cube.